Professor Everett believed that once you entered the black hole in our universe, there was a very good possibility that you would exit the white hole in a completely different universe, not our own universe. The science behind that backs it up. The science says basically that the state of one system would then lead to unique specification of the state of the other subsystems. Basically, science backs up the idea of a parallel universe or a multiverse. In fact, M-theory currently now, you can read a variety of things. Some people will say that M-theory can explain up to 11 different possible dimensions. I've actually read some offshoots of that where they're saying now that some of the work that's being done at the Large Hadron Collider might actually show that not only is there 11 possible universes or multiverses,